been wanting to go to this place for the longest. Today's the final day we get to go. Called the Slutty Vegan. Alright?
Yay! I'm trying to sound excited.
I sound excited. Alright?
Yay!
So we're going to Slutty Vegan. Shouts to my boy Troy and shouts to Texas boy. Y'all know it.
Only High Street, right? There's no extra stops down here. Only High Street.
This is
Spring, right?
Station.
Right.
The front of the platform.
Bitch ass nigga.
It comes for each of us. Yeah, have you been strategized?
Hey yo, what the fuck? We got the food. I'm gonna cut to when we tasting it at my mom's house. You guys got the food. Alright, so we had to bring the food home because they didn't have anywhere for you to sit down and eat. I got the one night stand, which I think had it got like vegan bacon, all this extra shit on top of it and all that stuff. And then I got, we both got some lemonades. The lemonade, obviously, I was parched.
Yeah, I got a chicken.
So
I got a chicken head. I don't know what the fuck is on there.
Yeah, he got a chicken head. I don't know what's on there though. It smells very vegan-y. And I just should smell vegan food in there, but I just hate the way vegan food smells.
Yeah.
That's just me.
The store definitely got a distinct smell.
Yeah, it's the smell of vegan food. It don't smell good. So we're in Brooklyn, and we live in Manhattan, so it had to travel a half an hour plus. So let me see what this bacon tastes like first though, because it's the one bacon I wanted to try. But the bacon tastes like it's like turkey bacon.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. I don't think about it.
Which is like
It looks strippish like that.
I mean, it was just good for like vegan bacon, honestly. First impressions, it's good. I like it.
What sauce is on there? They put the one you pick?
Yeah, it's that orange shit. This is the French fries. Come on.
It's sweet, yo.
It's sweet. It's that sauce.
Is it sweet bun or is it sauce? So
It could be like a potato or Hawaiian bun.
It's probably like a Hawaiian roll.
That goes good with chicken to me.
But again, there's some coleslaw in here too.
Yes. Okay.
So let me see what the fuck this shit look like in the inside.
I give it a 3.
3?
It's not hot. I thought it was gonna be hot.
Spicy hot?
Spicy hot. I thought when I picked the sauces, the colors, I was seeing the orange one. I thought which one was the orange one?
The spicy one. I don't remember the name.
Yeah, they got some weird names like they got a Hollywood hooker sandwich.
Yeah, it's like slap your bitch or something like this hot sauce.
This is the chicken head. I like this shit.
Oh, chicken head. That's good.
Go on,
Alright.
yeah, kids, I saw you vegan.
Alright. So I'm gonna try out this sandwich.
It's the chicken head.
This is the chicken head.
Hey, Q in my favorite dance. That's my favorite dance.
Alright, so let me try this out. They got coleslaw on there. I'm not really a fan of coleslaw. Let's try this stuff.
They had to send it to me off the face though. Cause you know that shit is gonna leave your bread like that. Tragedy. She does. I couldn't tell. I said 3 because I couldn't tell that was fake chicken. It was actually like chicken. I ain't doing all that, bro. It was not that bad.
I don't like it.
I mean, I was doing faces like this. Now that I think about it, I was covering my mouth the whole time. Canelli, you liked it, right, Canal? It was good. It wasn't bad. As far as like, if I'm comparing it to, you know, school vegan sandwiches and shit, with that they surprise vegan sandwich. If I'm comparing it to that, nigga, that shit is chicken. That was chicken that they just gave me. It was good.
This shit,
I could eat that.
this is. Hey, I gotta have it again.
Yeah, it's not the right. It's not, it don't feel right judging it like this, right?
Yeah. It is.
I like the fries. Like,
This shit is 0. He gave it a 3. This is 0.
come on.
So look, we're gonna close it out here. All in all, I don't think that I think that Slutty Vegan is like worth the hype, especially since their service was good too. The service in there, you know, they make you feel at home. Now,
Yeah, they making sure you come back, right?
they making sure that they definitely do make sure that you come back. When she asked, you know, have you ever been sluttified? Listen, hey yo, pause. I ain't give you an answer. You're not getting an answer.
I missed this one.
Yeah. Don't ask a grown ass man. Alright? I ain't nobody slut but the Lord's.
The Lord, good Lord.
Okay. It was good. I loved the experience. I spent a lot of money because it was a good experience. It was a good experience. Definitely felt like what I seen on the internet, especially like since it was like Atlanta versus it being in New York. It was definitely unique. So yeah, I'll definitely go back again. I would take somebody there.
Yeah, it's no problem waiting for. It's like a 5-minute wait for a burger.
They're pretty fast and they're very on the line. They got the whole thing. They got it figured out.
Yeah, I like it. It was cool.
With that being said, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Want some more?